Hello everyone, we are the journal team. I'm Avani MC.
And I'm Vedata B. Sandesh. We are studying in grade 10 in Excel Public School, Koorgalli Mysuru.
When we look at improving the health of a nation, mental health is often neglected. However, research shows that 1 in 7 Indian people have mental health issues of some kind. One of the reasons for adults and adolescents suffering from mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and addiction is gender behavior.
We live in the 21st century where men and women are equals as per our constitution. However, even today, men and women face the expectations placed on us by gender. A woman is not allowed to wear clothes she is comfortable in, and men and boys are not allowed to express emotions.
We have developed an app which can be used to document such gender based jokes, information, and advice. This app is designed to be used by a community of people.
The users are given a username and password which they can use to log in, view a tutorial, and document their experiences. Our app documents the number and a brief description of every instance of gendered behavior.
The total numbers of each type of gendered behavior are shown on the app. The app is linked to a Google Sheet spreadsheet which lists the data collected from all users of the app. A filter can be applied easily to get the data for a particular community. An email can be sent to the administrator when the number of gendered behaviors crosses a certain number.
To develop the app, we did online research and conducted an online survey.
We found that women are more likely to have their activities restricted, not allowed to go to places or wear clothing that they want to. They were also likely to be ignored in professional settings.
Men, though less likely to face gendered behavior, were also restricted from wearing clothing or from doing activities that are deemed too feminine.
Using these, we came up with the types of behavior we needed to target. We developed a prototype using Plasmo and asked for feedback from our peers and the community. The feedback was that the app had limited functionality, especially in retrieving data. Then, we developed the app using MIT App Inventor. The main challenge was that the built in databases do not support multiple columns. We struggled a lot with tagging our content for the database. We are selected for the top 100. We will try to collect more information on our users. We will also use geolocation so that the app can be used from a central location and translate the app into multiple languages. I, Avani MC, mainly worked on the app.
And I, Vedata B. Sandesh, mainly worked on the research document and we helped each other. Thank you.